Yeah, we're moving, huh?
We're moving.
Yeah.
This airplane keep moving.
Yep, it's gonna move faster and faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Excited?
Where will fall?
Look, here we go.
There my door. Now.
Yeah, remember, we don't want to push the table, okay? Get the lady a boo-boo.
We're going fast.
Yeah. Here we go, making our final turn.
There might be some other days they kind of interspersed.
See outside?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be number 1 for departure. Flight attendants, please be seated.
Number 1.
Are you excited?
You're on the airplane.
It's gonna be fun, huh?
I don't know, this airline is,
Going on the airplane.
my understanding is it's tied to the casino. So somebody told me that they go to places where
Can you feel that? Yeah, a little bit, not much. I'll put mine on. Oh, mine won't go to you.
Southwest Missouri.
This is dark in here.
It's a little dark, huh? There's another plane.
No, I don't know about spring.
Yeah.
I never knew another plane.
Yeah.
Springfield. I don't know about Springfield Branson.
You want to see out this one?
Not far from us there are, because we have all kinds of advertisements for them.
In Kansas City, they have eras, and it's
No,
supposed to
I
be
see it.
Hold on, let's wait. Once we get in the air, you can see it.
They're not legal in Missouri, are they? They have to be either on an Indian reservation or...
I'm starting to see it.
You know what, I have no idea.
Up in the sky and see it? Yeah. We in the sky.
Not legal in Missouri, I don't know.
This is a moon.
You see the moon?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
I'll be dark in the moon.
Oh, yeah?
Wasn't long ago.
You see the...
They sell liquor on Sundays.
I got it.
And something.
Well, yeah.
No,